Woo! A little red line for a good time. Oh shit. Porsche 911 Turbo S. Damn, this thing is nice. Oh man. Woo, Lord. Wait till you see this, bro. Beautiful piece here. What year is this thing?
18.
Oh shit, this the one we saw at the auto show then. Okay. Shit.
Only drove like a few quarters. Like a boxer.
All flathead 4 cylinders, and now we got one flathead 6 cylinder here, guys. Awesome. Well, since I started this, let's get the video. What else is here? Damn, there's a whole bunch of nice shit. Yeah, that thing is nice. 2018 too. Shit. This meat though is way out here though. I mean, it's past the Baltimore Harbor. Yeah. I thought it was close by, but I didn't realize it till later on. I like this one too. Right. At least, well, I'm not gonna say shit. You can't do anything else. At least you burn the tires off of it. But you can't even do that. Hey, baby. Or you got I gotta tag you in when I can tag you in just a second. They got another thing coming up on Grand Theft Auto. It's called Motor Wars. I don't know if tanks can be involved in it or not, but I gotta check. Don't worry, I know you'll be doing the same shit to me, so.